Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change gender in the Remini app. Let's get started. Remini is an AI photo app that not only enhances photos but also offers AI effects including gender change or face transformation features. First, open the Remini app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, look for options like AI tools, AI avatar or face transformation or gender swap. Now you will see options like male or female to male. Choose the gender you want to change to. This feature use AI, so the result is only for fun and editing, not real identity change. Now Remini will ask to access your photo. Tap Allow Access. Select a clear face photo from your iPhone gallery. Make sure face is clear, no happy filters or good lighting. This helps you get better results. After selecting the photo, Remini will start processing. Wait for a few seconds. Once done, you will see your photo with the same gender look. You can save the photo or share it. And that's it. This is how you can change gender in the Remini app using just your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.